Today, we're making one of the simplest and most satisfying egg recipes you'll ever try. A poached fried omelet with a beautiful runny yolk inside. If you love easy recipes with big results, you're in the right place. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, stick around and subscribe for more simple, delicious food ideas. Let's get started. We begin by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. Carefully remove the 2 yolks and set them aside. We'll use those later. To the egg whites, add just a pinch of salt. Then mix gently until everything is well combined. This helps the salt dissolve evenly, so every bite is balanced and not salty in just one area. Heat your pan over medium heat and lightly brush it with cooking oil. Once the pan is warm, gently place the 2 yolks right in the center. Just like this. Next, slowly pour the egg white around the yolks, not over them, and allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. You want the egg white to set while the edges turn slightly crispy. If this recipe is making you hungry already, tap the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy egg recipes like this. Now let's add a pinch of red chili flakes for a little heat and a touch of sweet paprika to finish it off. At this stage, you can add some scallion, black pepper, and some cheese, depending on your preference. Once the egg white has set, we start wrapping. Fold one side of the egg toward the center. Then fold the opposite side the same way. Next, bring the bottom up to the center, and finally fold the top over, completely covering the yolks inside the egg white wrap. Carefully flip the wrapped egg and let it cook for about 20 seconds. That's just enough to seal everything in. Remove it from the pan and place it on a plate. Simple, neat, and ready to serve. This goes perfectly well with bread or a sandwich. Now for the best part, the reveal. Cut into the egg. And look at that beautiful runny yolk flowing out. Simple ingredients, perfect result. If you enjoyed this simple poached fried omelet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, would you eat this for breakfast or lunch? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.